Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing Visual Studio and your environment so you can reproduce the fault quickly. Attach the debugger to the running WPF process or launch the app in debug configuration. This gives you full symbols and stack traces. Make sure Just My Code is off if you need framework internals, and enable symbol servers for Microsoft symbols. Once attached, set breakpoints on view models and command handlers, and toggle UI thread exceptions to break on thrown exceptions so you catch the root cause early. You now inspect how data flows into the UI and why visuals behave unexpectedly. Use Live Visual Tree and Live Property Explorer to find mismatched data contexts or collapsed elements. Once found, set conditional breakpoints in bindings and converters. Step through iCommand. Execute and property changed handlers to verify state transitions. Also watch the dispatcher for queued operations and layout invalidations. Logging data context snapshots and layout measure /arrange timings helps review. Finish by applying focused fixes and validating behavior across scenarios. Correct binding paths, ensure I notify property changed fires from the right thread, and use dispatcher. Invoke or begin invoke where UI updates must be marshaled. Run unit and UI automation tests to catch regressions, profile memory and CPU to confirm performance. If issues persist, break on all exceptions and capture a minidump. Then inspect threads, call stacks, and heap to find elusive state. One key tip: when nothing breaks in the debugger, a dump reveals hidden race conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.